Hey guys, join me as I put this poultry feeder together. Here's everything that came in the box. It also comes with some gloves so you don't cut yourself on some of this sheet metal, Allen wrench, open end wrench, and then a Phillips screwdriver with a nice handle on it. All right, this thing gets assembled in 6 easy steps. And the first step is to go ahead and install these 2 handles on here with the screws, and then we'll take these 2 sides and put them right here and right there. So take one of these here. And same thing for that one. And we'll take this, the hole down below, we'll line that up with the 3 holes right there. Go ahead and put these in there. Same thing with this side. Okay, that was step 1. Now step 2. Go like this. We'll put the other handle. Okay, now we take these pieces. I'm going to unthread that. And then it's going to go in like that. You see this piece here? These just pop out. And if you don't want to use them, you can just pop it back in there. But how this works is this little piece goes up because it'll protect it from the rain too. When you put it in there, they could stick their beak in there and get the food out of the bottom, or the very bottom. You can see their beak will go right in there. Okay, now we take this piece and just thread it back here. For step 4, we're going to use the frame, these, and then we're also going to use these little Allen head screws and a nut. Got an Allen wrench. We got a regular open end wrench too. So these things will just go right here in each corner. See the settings there? There's the highest setting, and if you want to put it lower to the ground, go ahead and use your lowest setting right there. You'll notice too here, after you got all 4 legs on, you got some adjustment here. And you can just screw these out to make it a little bit longer or to level it out too.